Which of the following cable types is least susceptible to electromagnetic interference? A. UTP-B, STPC, coaxial D, fiber optic. Answer: D. Fiber optic. In a network, what is the purpose of a MAC address? A. To identify devices within the same subnet. B. To uniquely identify a device on the network. C. To translate domain names to IP addresses. D. To assign IP addresses to devices. Answer: B. To uniquely identify a device on the network. Which of the following topologies connects all devices to a single central hub? A. Mesh. B. Star. C. Bus. D. Ring. Answer: C. Bus. Which of the following is a characteristic of a hub? A. Operates at layer 3 of the OSI model. B. Segments network traffic into collision domains. C. Inspects packets at the application layer. D. Forwards data based on MAC addresses. Answer: B. Segments network traffic into collision domains. What is the maximum transmission speed of a standard gigabit Ethernet connection? A. 100 megabits per second. B. 1 gigabit per second. C. 10 gigabits per second. D. 100 gigabits per second. Answer: B. 1 gigabit per second. Which of the following protocols is used for securely accessing a remote service command line interface? A. SSH. FTPC, SNMPD, Telnet. Answer: A. SSH. What is the purpose of ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol? A. To securely transfer files over a network. B. To assign IP addresses to devices. C. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. D. To diagnose network connectivity issues. Answer: D. To diagnose network connectivity issues. Which of the following devices operates at layer 3 of the OSI model? A. Switch. B. Hub. C. Router. D. Repeater. Answer: C. Router. What is the maximum number of hosts that can be addressed in a subnet with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.248? A. 6B, 14C, 30D, 62. Answer: D. 62. Which of the following protocols is used to automatically assign IP addresses to devices on a network? A. DNSB, DHCPC, SNMPD, SMTP. Answer: B. DHCP. What is the purpose of a proxy firewall? A. To inspect packets at the application layer. B. To filter and forward web traffic. C. To maintain a record of established connections. D. To segment a network into multiple VLANs. Answer: B. To filter and forward web traffic. Which of the following wireless encryption methods is the least secure? A. WEPB, WPAC, WPA2D, none of the above. Answer: A. WEP. In a network, what is the purpose of a DNS server? A. To assign IP addresses to devices. B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. C. To authenticate users on a network. D. To encrypt data transmissions. Answer: B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. What is the primary purpose of STP, Spanning Tree Protocol? A. Load balancing. B. Broadcast suppression. C. Loop prevention. D. VLAN segmentation. Answer: C. Loop prevention. Which of the following is a characteristic of a mesh network topology? A. High scalability. B. Centralized control. C. Low cost. D. Limited susceptibility to single point failures. Answer: A. High scalability. Which of the following cable types is commonly used for long-distance networking? A. UTP-B, coaxial. C. Fiber optic. D. STP. Answer: C. Fiber optic. What is the purpose of a VPN, virtual private network? A. To segment a network into multiple VLANs. B. To securely connect two LANs over the Internet. C. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. D. To authenticate users on a wireless network. Answer: B. To securely connect two LANs over the Internet. Which of the following is a characteristic of a star network topology? A. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. B. Requires less cabling compared to other topologies. C. Token passing mechanism. D. Meshed connections between nodes. Answer: A. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. What is the purpose of a DHCP server? A. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. C. To authenticate users on a network. D. To encrypt data transmissions. Answer: A. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. In a network, what is the purpose of a firewall? A. To segment a network into multiple VLANs. B. To filter network traffic based on IP addresses. C. To forward traffic between different network segments. D. To assign IP addresses to devices. Answer: B. To filter network traffic based on IP addresses. Which of the following is a characteristic of a bus network topology? A. Limited scalability. B. High susceptibility to single-point failures. C. Requires less cabling compared to other topologies. D. Meshed connections between nodes. Answer: C. Requires less cabling compared to other topologies. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.